Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up Garmin Forerunner 70 and pair with Garmin Connect. Okay, as you can see, we are doing the setup. First, we need to select the language from the list. In my case, I will of course stick to English. Let's click on that. Let's now confirm by clicking Start Stop button, the one on the right side. Pair phone to enable connected features. Yeah, we want that, so let's click on Confirm. And now we need to scan this code with our camera, or we can manually download the Garmin Connect app on our phone. In my case, it's already downloaded. Let me zoom out so you'll be able to see my phone. Here it is. Okay. Now click on Allow. And now to add the device, hit the plus icon. It's scanning now for available devices. As you can see, the Forerunner 70 has appeared. Click on Setup. Compare those two codes. If they are the same, click on Confirm. Let's click on Continue and Up. I didn't turn on. Oh, actually, I have turned on. Click on Allow if it appears. Of course, your phone needs to have the Bluetooth enabled. And we have a fail, weird thing. Let's click on Retry. Okay, now it has connected. Click on Next. If you want, if you have some other Garmin devices, you'll be able to transfer your device settings or browse all data backups. I don't want that, so click on Skip. In here we have conference sleep schedules. You can of course edit them. I'll leave it just like it is. Now we can allow the calendar access. That's the thing that it's worth doing. Click on Allow and allow full access. Same thing with the location features. Allow while using app. Click on Next. Click on Sync Now. Okay, and then click on Finish. In here we have some tutorials about our device. I'm about to skip it. Now the watch is asking us, do we want to set the passcode also? I don't want that, so just deny it by clicking the down button. You can also adjust the text size if you want. I'll leave it on standard one. Select activities you want to use frequently. Let's agree. Now you just gotta add what activities you want to use. Now let me zoom in again. I'll place the phone next to me. So let's say that we want a road bike, maybe walk, pole swim, gym, strength. Okay, and then if you want to save, hit on Done. Setup complete. In here you can click on Learn to know the basics. I don't want that, but now as you take a look, our watch is already ready to use. We have done the first sync. We have, of course, every information in our app. Also, we can track our trainings, start a new activity, of course. We can reset and change the watch faces. All you gotta do is to hold the up button, the one on the left side, and of course, many, many more. So that was the first sync. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.